The next tense is past perfect tense. Let's understand the word order of the past perfect tense. As usual, the sentence begins with the subject plus the past perfect tense verb had plus the past participle of the root form of the verb and plus the object. Let's take an example. I had written a letter in English. The subject here is I. Had is the helping verb of past perfect tense. Written is the past participle of the verb write. A letter is the object and in English is the rest of the sentence. Now we have to convert this active voice into a passive voice, but before that we need to know the object. So how to identify the object? By asking a question beginning with what. What had I written in English? A letter. So a letter is the object. Let's understand the formula to convert active voice into the passive voice. The sentence in the passive voice begins with the object plus had been, which tells us that it's a past perfect tense and it is in the passive voice, plus the past participle of the verb, plus by, plus the subject, which comes in the objective case, and plus the rest of the sentence. So here we have a letter as the object, followed by had been. Past participle of the verb write is written. By me. Me is the objective case of the subject I, and the rest of the sentence is in English. So your answer is a letter had been written by me in English. Let's take another example. We had seen the accident. What is the object? What had we seen? The accident. So the accident is the object. As per the formula, to change the sentence into passive voice, it should begin with the object, and which is the accident. Object followed by had been plus the past participle of the word see is seen. By whom? By us. So your answer is the accident had been seen by us. The next example. They had achieved their goal. What is the object? What had they achieved? Their goal. So their goal is the object, which is followed by the verb had been, past participle, achieved. By whom? By them. Them is the objective case of the subject, they. So your answer is their goal had been achieved by them. Let's take one more example. She had helped me in my difficult time. Well, as stated earlier, in order to find out the object, we have to ask a question beginning either with what or whom. Here, since it is not possible to get any answer if we ask the question with what, we have to ask the question beginning with whom. Whom had she helped? Me. So your object is me. But here, the object is coming after the verb. So it is in the objective case. And whereas in passive voice, it always comes before the verb, which is a subject. So in passive voice, that me becomes I. I is the subjective case, me is the objective case. So our passive voice begins with I, followed by had been, and the past participle of the verb helped, which is helped. By whom? By her. Now her is the objective case of the subject, she, and then the rest of the sentence, in my difficult times. So your answer is I had been helped by her in my difficult times. Well, there we are, and we are coming to the next example. Girls and boys had displayed various skills. What had girls and boys displayed? various skills. So your various skills is the object. Let's begin the sentence with various skills, followed by had been, and followed by the past participle of the verb display. It is displayed. By whom? By girls and boys. Since it's a common noun, it remains as it is. So your answer is various skills had been displayed by girls and boys.
Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.